omusirikare mukuru umuntu w'amani okwakubasa kandi kuba umuntu wa burijo akazo mu rukundo y'abazire n'abana bakashabiti reka tugumizemo nawe aho turotango nagira ata
nogomba kushuka mizo uyu muka bakuru tuyijana bakushuke bafu ya mizi garukufuko ohurutukayo bakwereze cyo kuguruka kiguruka bakweche piro cyo korra mpaka bakwihiremu obutetsi bwa civilian okaba officer kamiri hati to turiyaho tine cyo bakukuretera kajya mu cyagume kirenga ticyuroho abo kuba we have seen nubakora byo training shaping omanyangu you can go through anything and you align so training it's true akadete nkaba mfite bwirinje ntapana ikigezo cyaba cyango mukama wayendo nyugurire nyigarikireyo kastara twist nkashoma account sikuza kubura hinakora niyo I will get some office konka hakaba hariho commandant witu hakadete now retired Major General George Igumba akaba ari commandant witu obwakiri major hata retired Major General Major George Igumba akaba yemerera kwata tajwire smart uniform ari commandant inaha major yeke coat of arms netukura jati Edis cheer up every time he would call my name I would feel like I can't fail. Naturally I don't want to betray trust. The commandant believed in me.
Okay.
Amunonga kuyabira yijati kandi commandant ukuza kwije cadets really n'kintu kikuri instructors bona babashire kare the commandant the head of training of cadets believed in me a lot and it helped me because he always called me by name. Cheer up. Then bachireta results twakozire theory exams achireba my paper he would be the one to pick it himself and well done
okay.
And I would ensure I perform best because I knew commandant was going to look at my paper. So it helped me a lot because but I have my big letters and maybe rough handwriting, so sometimes he would make fun. He would say instructor, don't disturb yourself, I can see good marks but that bad handwriting is for Cadet Nakarema. Give me and I take it. So I would see he's cheering me up but also sending a message that he knows me personally.
Yes.
Yet he was from Jinja, he's a Musuga, he had never met me anywhere.
Okay.
He believed in me,
okay.
He encouraged me, he cheered me up all the time, okay. And I performed well and finished, and I was posted to the Presidential Protection Unit where they send the best after cadet. So that's how my journey started.
Abazire binje birebe no bafuba kutwara abantu mu mashomero gamane na fees no buzitaroho na kibafuba konka ngo abana barjiho batunje amashomero inshongeje yo no jigamba ho kikando kajishanga
wenu my OG my sister my friend the kampabura bazire bagenzi banje ko ati nanyi ndi muzire my first born kina bantaka kugambire our first born has finished his third year in the university naza kuzum third year na engineering. Our second born is already in the first year at the university. Ebintu byo kurwana na byo kugira ngo abazire bakore nyumushana na nyecuro n'ibirungi okorera abana konka amashomero gari expensive tugoga kumanyisa ngo nugaza kushomesa ecyo mwana arikwetenga ekiri kukira ekiri kumwombeka no kumuzo mu magara hati nkanye wambuza ecyabire nkindetera okukora je kunakozire je kona at whatever level tukujya ngo I was always the best no team claiming nk'abantu rande number 1 no again nkazo nkarabo mashomero gari gahansi munonga third world schools Rwentanga Rutoma Kibura Kabare later on Nkumba but ninja kuherecha ahimpikire hati ahabwo kwe okugira ngo abazire banje bakazo mu magara ganje nabagenzi banje my siblings ecyabazire tuyine kukora twena no kureba ngo umwana amashomero guwa mutwaramu wamwetwara wayegambira nawe wamwehera confidence wamwikirizamu wamuhumuriza maxi umwana no bwakwihayo max 30 cyo kumanyisa ngo no musuru obumwe nabine biri kumutegana so ebimutakamanyirimo abazire muganire nabana mwari abantu bakora kubi mumworeke ngo today wihayo maximum 30 koko wagwa konka ticyamanyisa ngo wagwera kimwe amagaraga ugonda no basa kurgari yezu 30 ahabwa rukundo ahabwo kwenkareji ngo umwana kumwikiriza mu kamugarira mu mano ito kutabe tukora kubi tata kwa tatu Max zawe jata ai atishi atukawaza kwimsa stani ati stani nwabe musuru ati yesu takabaga musuru ati utarigeze ukabumba stani taba stani batura nubo bagwa atowaye saba yo kugwa atowaye saba yo businguzi atowaye saba ya magara atowaye saba ye birungi utumazima naza kushana n'abastani mazima to kuza kuryama ibonoza kuzompurep nahe batakwimutiyana ngomwe tukatamizo mbafu kutagwejegera otebigero otamizo mbafu tamwe bigere orara noshubu mazima to garuko kazihaye mwe n'abaziri ebintu byo kugira ngo tugume tusibe tukora tubure kuzo mu magara g'abana bitu nkunguntu nangu tubatware mu mashomero gahigura umunonga wabo ino bushoborozi n'umwana n'abana bashikire oyine sente zawe abana bashikire okubatwara yo n'ikirungi konka mbakurateyo presence yanyu yo kukurata yimwe abaziri twabaziri presence yo kukurata abana bitu ahibari hona nekirira kimwe abashomesa okubapikamu abashomesa okubijuza ebyo okubijuza bari kubashomesa ebyo mu kibina ekirukombe ko mwana kikamuho bwenge obwarugumana bwebiro by'ebyona nebigambo byo muzire birungi ebigambo birungi nibicira obwenge oburyo mbitabo
so echo nchimayisa ngo wikirizana n'abantu abari kugira ngo ekibina kikuru kiri cya classe yahishomero kureka kiryo muka
ekibina cyo kubanza ekanisa yo kubanza okombe kumwana ukubanza kuryomuka kandi umuka umuturuku kuza abana bitu deka abana bitu barebe itwe ebituru gukora ekiri kuzo magara g'umwana ekiri kukirayo nekiyareba abazire benu bakora okukira ebigambo tugambe ebigambo byo kubaha emigisha tubagambira ebigambo by'amagara konka ebituru gukora bibenu byabombeka tukareba tatitwe na mawitwe bakora munonga hati mukama yatwatsa twaguma ntukora nabo because bakatwereka ngo kukora there is dignity in hard work ngo mukukora munonga harimo kitinisa tokuza kwetwa mushuma tokuza kwetwa munafu tokuza kwetwa musuru huko inecyo ukozire kikarebwa so abaziri tureke kutegana munonga niturondera abana ibintu mu Ruganda harimo ikigambo nkikunzire munonga kandi uja kuchimpa buro muri nyankore bivuga mu Ruganda harimo ikigambo nibagira ngo mutegeke abana muve mukutegekera abana okutegeka abana kisinga okutegekera abana ngo okutekateka abana okutebekanisa actually okutebekanisa abana okushomesa okutebekanisa abana mbiteekateko nokukirira kimwe okubatebekanisiza If you let us invest for our children, we are doing everything, we are investing for our children, but we are not investing in character. When we must invest more in character rather than investing in property. Allow me at this stage actually give my 3 key words in English and I will try to put them in Runyankore. Nyo message yekitabo cyanje iki. Kandi when orachome ni mushaba. Ngwashome page 11 I purpose yanje the purpose of the author. Yes. My purpose is on page 11. Haza nyoni summarizing kugira ngo character is more important than comfort. Character is more important than comfort. Emitwarize nekirira emitwarize. Nekirira kimwe obugwaje bwebari. Emitwarize nekira obugwaje. Ekya kabiri purpose is much better than possession. Ngu ekigenderwa nikirebe byo rihemu nikirebe ebyo butungi what you own, what you possess. The purpose is more important than possession. And finally and most key, presence is more important than presence. Okubaho kwawe nukukirira kimwe ebirabo byo rukuhereza. Mwe n'abaziri
binje mbamanya ngo as long as umwana bamukora shopping yona bamutwara mu ishomero rya kabi bamugurire birungi ebyone byarukwetenga mbaba bakeze
mazima my young sister my OG bintu bituri gukora shopping ezi nibirungi twabehera tukasiba nabo tukakwata abana beitu tukabagambira tukabashabira imigisha bakatubyama habero even when they are old nyoko kundeba ikishani cyanje na tata nurukuchemerwe tena. This was 2024 December and he passed December 23rd 2024. Mbiri ningana ntuko kundeba mbe ninchira muzana mugongo wa tata ntinyeshongora yeshongora tweshemerwa hata abana banje bakayumba ndeba. My children were complaining, "Mommy, you are breaking Granny's back." And I was saying, "No, he's still my father." And he was saying, "Bana, no, my granny, let me sing for my daughter."
Program neba hindijera ha TV West kandi iwo atwegita humurundo gwo kubanza omugenyi nkogwe nabandi no boturuko batwine konkanyikiriza twanze twanyu ho twizi nitugaruka. Yebare kubocira ha program reba hindujire umwe abataha buri izoba nimba konda mnonge yo atwegita heri izobo tijagaraka koferwa kandi shweke cyaho wachiferwa rwa kabiri shamukaga guzihangwe noja kubano birebe bintebe rugaraka mbweno taferwa bito mjinyi witu nafande nakarema no yebuza omusirikare mukuru muntu wamani okwakubasa kandi kuba muntu waburijo akazomu rukundo yabazire nabana dokashabiti reka tugumize munawe no bubire wajarana ufunga.
Just a few months to his passing, because this was December 23rd 2024 and he passed on 8th February 2025. So I enjoyed my father's presence, touch, love up to the end of his life.
Okay.
So abazire heine bwire oboyine kujo tato mwana kuzire na murugo. Pana obisho mwana obenyi no mwana obe ishenkurobo abana be or presenti mube omumagara g'abana banyu okubaho kwa muzire omumagara g'umwana we abazire kwetegereza abana bitu tukashitama nabo tukargombye kubahereza za iPhone za iPad ziha nguturuhire tutine bwire mukama tusasire na nyenye nkor kugamba tinkuhamya ngo abana banje mbahiro bwire obukwigana no butata yampire
nacyo ndo ninza kubuza wataho ombeteka teko byanje iwe nko muntu nkukora bize oyino buherezo oyino bwebembezo oyinemirumo oyinensi yona buri umwe nayenda attention yawe abana bawo bakugobereho bata
abana banje cyo kubanza buri izoba nimba nyine kubashaba okusasura ngutenabaho uko kunakubire ninyenda abo kuba nyo nimanyo mugasho bwo kuba omumagara g'abana ekiba kubasa kuba abanje nyo ninsi wo mukushabo kusasirwa abo kuba tinkukibasa kubaho all the time ngo kunakwenzire konke kindishwa ekinkukora akanya kacha kinkuba nyine omu weekend ni making ashongo nashitama nabo abakuba abaruho naganira nabo nabeyiriza hingumba kwateho actually you will find that my daughter Gorium who is now in first year university sometimes ni mutizinga akwa nakana kache nakishikache so nikajya nshizamu mugongo mukweke wawe no wasoko taramanyiro kuba kweka because you were already ni kweka so and she feels good when she is at my mommy I think I'm breaking. I'm like no actually you are massaging me. Okay. I am trying to have the attachment of touch. Then my boys atabana again ibiranga kora ndibikutangaza nyowe na my husband twembi turubagufu onka abana bitu nbari ngo hatunga our first born Jonathan. He's very tall and twana not drafting so nga now Jonathan in my back really you will not fit but at least come and I hug you. Okay. So I make sure that every time I'm with him I hug properly. I give them some minutes of hug whenever the chance avails. Okay. And when I'm hugging I'm actually blessing. I'm saying the Lord bless you and keep you. Okay. The Lord raise his countenance upon you and give you peace. Okay. The Lord make you a tail, make you a head and never to be a tail. The Lord make you excellent in everything you do. Okay. Because knowing about sharing my experience, it is not theory. I've not read it. I got it. I give what I was given, not in the portion I was given. I will be very sincere. Nyobazira banje maybe no bwire nabo tubobu bakaba baruho omumagara gitu twena abana babo no mumagara g'abantu bana bingi munonga omukitabo muno ja kushanga Honorable Nathan Itungo who has been our member of parliament Kashari South noja kushanga nahandika najera ati the bicycle that shaped my future egari ya tata niyo yamutwire ntare school na yehero bujuruzi bwaha I forget his page but in this book hari testimony z'abana bingi abitata yayitwarire ahagariye akashapinga their future.
Okay.
So he was a man of touch, a man of community service, a man of great dedication.
Kurugiro ko rugamba nkirebe ko mukamukakurana rukundo y'amani
Nyingi.
konka omuzire nabasa atafuta rukundo mbana atabire mu kwana okwakiboko ningo ko kutera
Azo kwana kakurumu konka kakwino kukwabe kuva nkwete polite. Hati my father loved education so much. So whenever you would perform akabana kundo kushomesa munonga kandi cyo kintu cyonka ekiyabire abasa kutera kandi wakatateza kiboko hati akabaine discipline ye yakorra mpaka okozire cyo kwenda hati tetata kuba biro ihayezo max za hansi munonga ajya mwana wanje atabastani nibo bakora atumwe hati emikono giranga yakuhiri wabuze kwate kitabo kashoma hati njanike ati njanike hata bayemera kwemerero misho hato hanikote emikono wakatanikise emikono akwanitse emikono kandi taro kugira oti no manera akwanitse ate emikono atareta nka akureta akantu kakuremera akiceni nyishkanyo ino byaretsere wakikachi nkecunga yuza akareta ibintu bibiri emwe keri nkecunga ndijo nkenjeme ko yabita yakwanitse akujati gumoto abuko emikono tekozire kiranga yagikuherire ebire yine kukwate kitabe kacushomaje ebire yine kureba ngo yahandike bishikire ngweno tuwagikozesa gihaniki akwemerera hari abayine rura ye ya plastic rura okijiro temikono yar hawajigaraka atera ojigarrayo so amaking hato cheza mikono yar hawaka kubarida chikatini kuzishwe ziyabiro zwabe makonkokora abarwaye mecheza hate abikwihabi abakutira hangaro hata kukwata kweto mucuba mwana wanje yagarika kubumba stana bagwa okabota kigarikira tuwaterwa kiboko kongeje mikono
watunga punishment erukumara
yes konka umwe kwiyabira bakiri akwanikise mikono kaka nyakwenkuru aretwaho amwirkanzi aretwa ati iwe serwad ati ishobera nakutire mukani mo kwabe nokora bikovuga kata makushoma tabana babona buresa so kaka kwiyabira atirwaho ati mikono banzo gigaranzi
obanza waruhuka
so again the home of love keretwa kweretwa kuriya sorry yare okota bashasha for long kaka kibose yashanga wandire mikono na yirkanzi tata bono ati byonkanta kumakubishoma ati atatu mbabimanyi bwe bwasha
atafanda kire kajana katugendaho konka ebyo kubuza ninka kimwe kikume kitwahisiyeho tindi kumanyana no kuturakikore konka mwenu nubwa no point cyo magaragawe obu wayerebiro karebo misho okereba muno basako umuntu wo mugashonko korati
munywani wanje tinkuhamye ngo ahizoba rumwe erinabire nimanya ngundi yashanga nanye kamera nendonda kata kutimanya mazuma tino unabire nani kiteka konke kinkumanya again omukukuzwa kwanje omukukuzwa kwitu twena abana bomugenzi Reverend Isaac Serwara twena tukakura naturaganisa natuhamiza ngo haryabaho bwire rahanga ryatutoma imyanya mirungi mikuru kandi aryagitamu akiruho akabagmarye kandi bana banje ndiyaberebera oma office makuru gamani ndiyabarebera mu government ndiyabareba mwine ba presidenta nako bakirangira so nyuwe tino bunabire mbandika ngaje twonkandara ndiyabandi wa president that never came to my mind but I always knew that one day I will serve God in a better place than I was brought up.
Mbwene tutakarjiraha tugambire kigenderwa cyo kwandika katabo.
Mbwene kigenderwa cyo kwandika katabaka. Echo kubanza to be sincere my number one reason it was like a therapy. Nkabani nyenda kukira nkani none cyakunyaho obusasi bwo kuferwa tata sudden akagenda manya tata akafero umushaha zitashirishatu akana kata karwaraga so nkabanta ndemirwe kustabilizinga kugarukikiriza ngo akafa yarugaho utakigaruka kundi tata kabanterese mu burkashesh kunshabira izo bokururabi anterese umwe mwabaziyo kungambere byabaho rero buri hure ryo nirba bampandika mutata kabari bika nyamwe fayiro ye nempenda na hata kabika mahure buri hure ryo nirabirandikije muzina nakarema nari kishaniki akabari bika so nkaba umukwandike kitabo reason yangiye kubanza ekaberi yo kugira ngo mpandike rukundo ebinkwijwe hari rukundo ya tata ngumenyije mbishome obundi nanye nkaguma nimbikora bitambira abandi it was like therapeutic nkanye nyenda kukira konka hagati yo kuhandika naguma ningamba n'abana binjo mu generation age because his excellency President Museveni who I have a privilege of calling my second father omukitabomu na mama Janet Kataha Museveni the first lady and minister of education who I am very privileged to call my second mother however ankorire yo muntu wakashari omwishiki waserwado wakurira omunju yebinyatsi konka president akija no mucyara we mama Janet no muhara first daughter Natasha no mukweri wa Bwogo no mukamwana Charlotte bakatayira tata
program neba hindijera ha TV West kandi iwo watwegitaho umurundo gwo kubanza omugenyi nkogwe nabandi no boturuko batwine konka nyikiriza twanze twanyuho twizi natugaruka bare kubocira ha program reba hindukire iyo mwabataha ho burizoba nimba konda mnonge yo watwegita heri izobo tijagarika ko ferwa kandi shweke cyaho wa ferwa rwa kabiri shamukaga guzihangwe noja kuba no birebe bintebe rugarika mu bweno taferwa bito mjinyi witu nafande nakarema no yebuza omusirikare mukuru muntu wamani okwakubasa kandi ko muntu wa burijo akazo mu rukundo yabazire nabana dokashabiti reka tugumize munawe no bubire wajarana ufunda
ebiro 31 kwa mushanju 2014 kuba mutaya yire yayi embera yahindukaho engute kahingwa yahiko mu kibuga cye enju yitu bagihangusiye aba state house bagitamwa amezi bagitamwa amashanyarazi omushija tata omuburuze risaf reverend serad ahumuriro mwanya murungi amizi gakira munju amashanyarazi gayakire enguto yahingirwe nanye nakoze regere no mushija wanje twamwihira egari yire yatutwireho hatuwe twamugurire motoka aryo motoka ye navugamo kwiyahereza ati ku yashimye aka 50 no mucyara we beloved midress our beloved mother twabahereza ho trip yo kuza heru yatembe nyonyi ishiko muntu akagakera akatembe nyonyi no ja kucishanga mu kitaboki kwiyargira atahe tukaba twaraha Mombasa kwiyargira tu Mombasa yankwatsa passport yanje atumwana wanje ati nyoyigure ryenso rinyorekere narehezayo ati nsigize iguru rumwe erindi kamunkareba yeso mujunu wanje rindi argaruka atabwo kubanka rugo mu nsomu natemba amadara genyonyi byanda byo mu mwanya yantozo mbicu kutwahiko mbitwara bo mbicu twahika hagati atebicu byaza hazi ense nagabana kigira hazi ati natigaze iguru rumwe ati namwe nyuti ngaruka munyonyi kandi we that was 2021 atso niyo nabuza kwiya sasa rizo bageri yo kurgo mu 7 kwa kabiri I was in Soroti and we were at the burial of General Brigadier General Oruka who was our Director General ISO and all every government official was there, the top, the vice president was there, the CDF was, deputy CDF was there. So I had the privilege yo kwirukanga ngunshabe nyonyi etware tato mwirwara kwa kanyangu it was heart attack. But before I reached the chief of defense forces kumushabe nyonyi yama the Bishop Sheldon, who I'm forever grateful. Bishop Sheldon Mwesugwa and Mama Aris, two of them they nuba irkanjire bakagenda bakihatata narga kubatera tata yantere so munayitia kubitinga cyuraga nubo bamwihiremuka bakamureta umurharo akabajya tumweshongere cyeshongoro 2008 nkabona uburuhukiro muri Yesu kwiyashika cyeshongoro kicweka cyangwa rumpomozi wa ekigambo Bishop yantere sumu atata atum mwahure bagira ba doctor ba suspectinga heart attack atkonka ati ya stabilizing ati nanye namwe hurura naye shongora irakariya higurta namanyonga kanaka hati nyowe naza kushabe nyonyi ijuka kuna bentaka herze kushabe nyonyi of course Bishop yanje atironda cardiologist uwo bashabo mutuma natera nindonda bo mutuma Bishop wabarga kunja ati ya setoringa esumwe ya kabiri yanje atwishemwe ya atomwahure yataha nambuza nti yataha nkashi ati yataho mwiguru of course erizo batindirite rinyaba I lost my mind. Omutongo anje gukarugaho. Konka wanombuza ekigenderwa cy'ekitabo cyanjye hati kunatangiye kwandika naguma ni discussing nanimbaja President Museveni, my second father and my second mother have been involving me in mobilizing young people and bakaguma nubanta omukubakwatsa okurundana eminyeto bingi binganire nabo nashanga batine rukundo yataki batine rukundo y'abazire babo kubahurikiriza okubetwarira amashomero okushitama nabo okubakwataho so kuna benyo omukwandika ndiyo nimpandika ngunkere nkero busaso bwatata hagati yo kwandika neyishuka ngu hariho abana n'abazire abatakumanya rukundo yataki na no kubaho ekikumanyisa so na hindura intention yanje because I was nyonka gumani ndiyo ninkira ni of course nkayishuka bingi na ramunongo mkwandike kitabo eki nkarra mukashasha munonga konka final intention yanje nayenda ngu rukundo yobuzire ndigambira abandi ekyeru kumanyisa na munonga rukundo eyo kubaho omumagara g'abana bawe otaronde bintu by'abana otari mumagara gabo otaronde obugiga otaketegerize ngu rukundo yo kubakwataho niyo barikwetengo kukira ni nshasha ebirigenda nasitya omurukamparo mpurira abana bana abehanikire ahabwa abazire kubagambira kubi ariho ohererukira bimanya nayo second umwana yihanikira omuto yireti yishomero yarga kwandika akapapura ngo abazire be manya bamujumire ki ondijo akehanika ngo abazire bakamujumire nkeito ondijo akehanika ngo abazire bakamujumira results za senior 4 nabeshengereza abazire bagenzi banje murekeraho okusharira abantu umushango mushitame nabo mubetegereze mubakunde rukundo tekaremwaga rukundo nekire bintu okubaho kwanyu nukukireberaho presence is more than presence haza ni mwabana baryoko nyaburi mwabana batumwe na himuri eminyeto mumanye ngo rukundo yo muzire tine kirkwingana nacyo nimwe mwehereza abazire babone kubakunda buko hina abana nabo abarukwe hagura abazire bakagenda kare bana mwe rukundo yo muzire no mugisha gwo muzire tine kirkwingana nacyo tine kirkwingana nago Bible ne tugambira okunde otine shona nyoko obone kumarebero bingi omunsi ekyo kiragiro cya katano nicyo kiragiro cyonka ekirimo kuraganisa ebindi otariba utarita utarisha konko kikaha muzire ije tubone kumarebero bingi omunsi bwene bana bato mukunda abazire mubahike hehi nabo babakunde abazire muhereza emigisha abana banyu mubakwateho mubashabire buri izoba haza murebe nsito kuyahinduka corruption no kuyarugamu obunafu kubwarugamu abuko muzire yakunda akakwata akahumugisha insineterera
mukama babiri ebinkwenda kubuza kandi biriyo obugarike mu murundo gumwe akatabaka kurujira it is my father and I
yes
niwe nasho
yes Uja kushanga munonga
nyoko arinkahi kata
mawarum
kandi cyakabire kibuzo
yes
omuntu yaheza kushoma katabuka waka ni kintu cyo rukuteka ntiza kumutahamu omukire kacyakagaruka yaheza last page ni kintu cyo kiramutahemu icyo rukuteka ngo ashemiye kwindura
nze koreka mawa hari se ngo banzu nsasira uko nyine subject yanje gineteganisa my father and I again it is because ecyo kubanza ekinta kugambira hari mama munonga buri muntu weno ryo munsi omunamanya ngo nyino muntu abo kutomunda akikwiho munda akakutahabero akakutahibere akagumaniwe buzumazuma naba ariyo magara gawe konka tubatata bingi abakweka abana bakabatomba fuba from 3 months bakabatomba omukibox all the photo emyaka ebiriyone yabandisi nywe kandi umufuba cyatatu so mawere ho kandi ni mukunda kandi contribution yene mpango magara ganje page 19 you'll see me at my 2 years umama yabiri nagaruka kunarwo mukurwara hata kaya muntaru bajotireba mama wakuzire ngugu wewe gambiri mama shemerirwe hata ataichi ekinchiterezijo my father yarije kugena jantu mama hati niwe natsugaza reka niwe nkuzo mugongo hata mugongo ogwa mawe ngondumba so konkana we contribution ya my mother omagara gitu twen niyo mpango kukirayo twena akatwekorera mu nda twena akatwora kandi n'umuntu w'umukozi akatwegesa gukora mawitwe kandi ikindi
uburi hano mana gukora imirimo yo
tene kinda gukora nimanya kuhinga nimanya kurisa nyondi umuntu arikwekorera hands on tinko actually emirundi mingi my staff aba office babona nyondi nkutume kinto cyotaka kiroma nake yakirire tinko makutegereza so nimanya gukora ebijwana ne korti za mawe ikinda kumugambiraho munongo mukatabomu nkaba again to be sincere umuri nyangore nkaba nincura tata nkaba nincura nimanya ngo tinkigaruka kumureba kandi nimwebaza kandi nindukwenda ngo abashija boko kandi unoma wangoraje abashija bankora bingi tubakumanya kwata berere tubakumanya kuguma mbana nabahera hari yeberagiro nababa barumu of course tubona kandi bazima mutangira ngo ni blaming abashija bona konka bingi nubateka ngo kubana n'abana munonga abana baboje ngo wamutetsa ngo wamucekifa mutuma pana rukundo neyombekaje okukwata umwana nukumuta mu confidence omugasho gwo mushije mu mwana no kugira ngo from creation kwihombo hangwa bwa ruhanga akahereza obushoborozo mushija kubanwe yaba security yekaye kubanwe bukumi
program reba hindijera ha TV West kandi iwo watwegitaho umurundo gwo kubanza omugenyi nkogwe nabandi no boturuko batwine konkanyikiriza twanze twanyu ho twizi natugaruka yebare kubocira ha program reba hindijire iumwa batahaho burizoba nimba kunda mnonge yo atwegita heri izobo tijagarika koferwa kandi shweke cyaho wachiferwa rwakabiri shamukaga guzihangwe noija kubano birebe bintebe rugarika mbweno taferwa bito mjinyi witu nafande nakarema no yebuza omusirikare mukuru umuntu wamani okwakubasa kandi kuba umuntu waburijo akazo mu rukundo yabazire nabana bakashabiti reka tugumize munawe no ubire wajarana ufunda
wargaruhango bukumi bundu no bwo mushija omukayi sabashija mukwate abana banyu mubatewe mikono mubashabire mubaho umugisha mubanywane babagambira amazuma ensebonere ba mama numwebare abahekire abatuyekorira mu ndomu abahekire abakozire muhekire nyina umwana na heka garikaza kuteka garikaza kuhinga bama wito nimba gamba hoje by the way nimba no mu dedication no nimbe bazanga bwa rukunde tarukwaho compassionate love but I continue to say fathers be the security give the confidence give the contentment it comes from the father aboko abashija nimwe mahirwe ciconco cyo kureta ubukumi mukareta ubugabirizi kandi mukaba again you are the protectors you are the providers nimwe mwine kukuma nimwe mwine kugabira
okay
izina yaranga kahimso
ecyakabiri toka kigarusire
ecyakabiri
yaheza kushoma ikitabe cyo muntu
ecyaratwari
take home
orashome ikitabo cyanjye my father and I the power of intentional fatherhood ekintu kimwe kinkubashabani kimwe muhereza abana banyu ekiconco kitine muhendo ecyo kubaho ninyenda ngweno raheze kushome ikitabo iki amanye ngo ekiconco kiyakumu abana be n'abamurihiye no kubaho omumagara gabo okukira ebiconco okukira emishomo ya higuru okukira ubutungi bwona okubaho ninyenda ngo buri omwe agende n'ekintu kimwe presence is most important than presence ekiconco kinkushaba buri wena orashome ekitabo eki ayege ngu ekituri twena n'obwire bwaba bari kutukunda ubu batuhire
ebigambo byo byamuhera utendere
again nagira umugisha muhango bwo kugamba aha kigambo cya rukundo n'abazire ko magara gabana beitu aha TV West eyo witu eyabarukumanya abanzire nashomire abarukunshabira so nimba shabe ikintu kimwe nguruhango ubushoborozi bwona abegese ngo urukundo ye teremwa so mukunda abana banyu abana mukunda abazire banyu izina ryaranga rubone kuhimsubaje omagara ganyu no magara gitu twena kandi mwene abakino kuremerwa kwingi omukhafiza abana banyu mumanyire kimwe ngu ekyo orikubaasa kukora kikagumaho ebiro byona n'okukoresa emirukono yawe ekyo orikubaasa kyona okashaba Ruhanga akakiha omugisha abaana mbija kushoma itwe tukashomesibwa abazaire babiri batiine bugiiga babiri batiine status nari emyanya erikumanywa mu government konka bakatushomesa batihitya mu universities twena turi bataano ahabwa rukundo n'okukora munonga kandi besigire Ruhanga ebigambo bya tata bikaba biri bishatu ni summarizing ngu productive love rukundo erikurugamu ebibarwa practical faith okwikiriza okurimo okukora and dedication to serve humanity nokwehayo okukorera abantu ba Ruhanga mwene mukama bampira omugisha
amin naba nindaba ahakwanyu ndukuzambara hariho kanisa
All Saints Church
kanyeganyeje iwayombekire ahabwasho
ahabwatata nkweyandagire
ejo ekanisa nuthurira ngu okajombeka ngu wayanga corrupt people kukutwera
ekyo nkakigamba no public nkagira ngu esente z'omuntu ntakumanya je aha kukora esente ze ingwasa kuzakira
omuntu nayanga ata sente bazomuretera kumutwera
nkakura ntakureba sente nkazaho ishomero ntakureba sente tata katukuzana tugira tumukorese emikono yanyu Ruhanga gihereza omugisha tinkubasa kwikiriza sente y'omuntu ntakumanya hiyagiha nari nyenta koraje twena mutwe sente tse kuombeka tinkuchenda ekanisa ejo omu kitabo omweru munyenda ngu ngiboreke hariho sente z'obushuma hariho sente meanwhile tarona sente zikugo mu government directly president my second father president General Kaguta Museveni ampire miliyoni 20 z'ekitabo ekanisa aryija kugigura ekyarita munu wari kukimanya konka nkanga kumushaba nti impesente kandi tata yamugambire ebigambo birikiriye biro mukaga byo kwa kabiri ebiro mushanju yasiba naburira ebiro munano mukasheshe yataho mwiguru akangira ati omwishiki wanje munywani wanje orundane banywani bawe mombeke kanisa mpango ahahinyi nenje taratire mwatonpa akatsigahanishire president ebarayo kumwebaza mbwenu umuntu akusiga yebarize kandi yonka garakayo kushaba nti yombeke kanisa so president and he's my second father he definitely will sometime Ruhanga yamu obwiri arije kanisa cyarita when akimanya Ruhanga ari yakimoreka konkanyo esente zo muntu ntakumanya hazihire tinkubasa kuzikiriza kanisa ejo ekitawo cyanje ekitawo ekinyaburimwe bantu baranga mu kishome so tata ekanisa yatsigireho ngigi no buke bwayo no muri kuyabe nakwata omukyara we beloved midress manya hakakiri ombuzi oguni beloved midress our beloved mother this is the small All Saints Church kanyeganyeje yatsigireho ijuka hakwitu na habuseriye bweje kanisa hati ejiniyo kanisa All Saints the bigger All Saints Church turiyo ntombe twashakire twakingire hati kitaweki buri sente yo nerkurugamo eriyo neza kukora okumaririza ekanisa tukagikwatsa abantu kandi sente ziri hakanisa aha neze sente ziri kurwo mu banywani banje abitukuzire hamwe abakumanya omukago gwanje na rukundo ya tata abatari manya baruga aheru manya nturonda donors no ezo nkachanga abako nyenda principles za tata bana banje mukorese emikono yanyu Ruhanga ahereza omugisha emikono emirimo y'emikono yanyu so bishemu muryo mu byo kurundane sente imwe mukorere Ruhanga aryabakorera byona niyo fumu ya tata atabara abashumbire ka mugungunu akabaragente yabaragentoki ati rero nyo washumbire Ruhanga aryandaga birukwingana ataryandage byo munseji byona andagene byo mwiguru umushija akatayisa president umushija umuharaka gitwa bishop reba ndyaha bishop abana bitu na hati nakitayira nakitomugisha umushija tatito izobari obiya celebrating a golden jubilee aketorora bishop sumushanju na bishop subabiri Ruhanga kamoreke bitinisa yargo mugariye yatembe nyonyi yajaze naheza kanzo mwiguru izina rya tato humurege munonga abukuboka tukorera birungi
Yesu akomje
amen ebitabo byanje hate binkwete ebyabantu ba Ruhanga mwena although it means my father and I the power of intentional father book fatherhood ebitabo ebiri mu bookshops zone nyingi omu Aristoc bookshop birimu branches zona hiziri omu aha Mahiri Books ebyo Mahiri Books online bwa abana iminyeta bakumanya ebyo online birimu then airport the shop is called Transit Duty Free Shop aha chai chantebe hariho bookshop Transit Bookshop birimu Uganda Bookshop nibiza kuzamu in this week and then there is what they call Book Point ejeryo mu Kampala ebitabo birimu but also orikubyenda online we have a website www.Reverend Serwada Foundation ekitabo no kiguraho online kandi no choma cyona ko kuba no kiguraho online
konkanti basira buryo mu kugura
of course ebeyi because kirimu amaraka mingi kuna kolese ekyo abana twena turumu president arumu first lady arumu bishops babiri barumu so ebeyi tumpango konkano reba ngu nekitabo cyo kuzagumana cyebiro byona it's hard to worth it nemitwari 12 yonka forever wagure konka online ebyo ku downloadinga because hari muza cover hari muki nemitwari umushanje yonka so yes kiri possible abantu bakiguzire kandi nimba sima buzuma mwe bari
abari ya program ebyo nibyo byafande kano na Edith Nakarema tinka bagamba nkamarayo konkana rahanga tugirire mbabazi tutunje mu rundo gundi
ndurede kuganira rukundo nabazire we iwahora gumewagira umuchakasta you are now my OG my younger sister a beautiful one always come and I also borrow your beauty
echo buwachingambira cyaterera so abamba tureba ha program afande ntuje kumutungo murundo gundi ebyite byaburije mukumanye bimbuze birizo batanabuza ntuje kubuzo ubu hati nkereza tuhendereraho program nereba hindugire kanebero burizo buri asande shahi naze kirega ko muri wakabirisha mukaga guhangwe kandi ha program ahantu bantu tayayisa abantu barunje munonga nko warebo werizo bo mkenyi witu nuwo gwafande kano Edith Nakarema kandi nyowe nande betko mujuni ine bagenzi banje bingi aha kamera na timu yareba hindugire imbendeze birungi byonka mugume